why these bikes aren't around a lot. You see it's got water would puddle up in here on this model. See it in there? There's a shape, it was round. Very round bike. People love the shape of the bike, of this one. It's very collectible. But the problem is it held water here and it would rust out. Oh, I shut the fuel off so the engine went off. So that's one of the issues this bike had. That's why there's not a lot of them around. They would rust out right here. They would just go right through. And another reason, another big issue they had was the ignition system. This bike had the only Vespa ignition system, probably the first 12 volt. But in order for the ignition system to work, it went through the battery, and if the battery was weak, the bike wouldn't ride. And a lot of people didn't know this about this one Vespa, and they would give up on it and they would park it. This one only has like less than 5,000 miles on it, so that's like 3-4 years worth of riding and out of its entire 61 years of existence. So the people found ways around that, and they changed the ignition system in the future, and the bikes were good. But that's the issue. And also the battery was very difficult to get. It had a really weird battery. It was very thin, long, 12 volt, first 12 volt like bike battery for scooters, and it was very weird. And those are the issues it had. So these bikes, what happened is people would ride them for a few years and they ended up in basements or junked, or people who did ride them, they would rust out because of the puddling. So there's not a lot of them around, very, very few of them. So that's the main issues they had. They weren't mechanically a great bike. They're just a good looking bike. They lied about the speeds of the bike too when it was released. They would say it would go over 60, but the truth is it went about, its cruising speed was under 55, maybe like 53. Like even with the VBB engine with a little work on it, this one cruises at like 54, 53. You know, it's not a great speed. I might put a P200 engine in it, but that's about it. Okay.